Hey, my name is Yamkama Ronald, and I'm making this video uh, because my Azure student account expired, and I cannot access most of the services from Azure. And I've made this video to take you through what could have been in week 5, would have been done in week 5 of the system building project. So the objective is to design and configure virtual networks in Microsoft Azure that allow virtual machines to communicate securely while remaining isolated by departments. So this step focuses on networking concepts such as IP addressing, subnets, DNS, and network security groups. The goal is to stimulate a real-world enterprise network where teams can only access their own systems. So first of all, we have to understand the environment. So the environment consists of 6 virtual machines in total. There are 2 virtual machines for the sales and marketing team, 2 for the engineering team, and 2 for the customer success team. Each team must be placed in its own isolated network segment, similar to VLANs in an on-premises environment. So next we are going to see the IP addressing plan. And before creating any virtual networks, the first step is to plan the IP addressing scheme. So the virtual network will use a subnet mask of 255.255.255, which corresponds to a /24 network. So this provides a total of 254 usable IP addresses. And within this address space, specific IP ranges are reserved for each department. The sales and marketing will use IP address from 50 to 99, and engineering will use from 100 to 149, and customer success will start from 150 to 199. So these structured allocations ensure clear separation between departments. So next, we can see that each team. So next, the virtual networks will be created in an Azure portal by navigating to the virtual network service and selecting create. So each virtual network will be configured with an address space of 10.1.1.0/24, and inside each virtual network a subnet will be created using a /27 subnet mask. This is because a /27 subnet provides 32 IP addresses, which are sufficient for the 2 required virtual machines while allowing room for future expansion. So each subnet is named clearly to reflect the department it belongs. So next we are going to see how we create the virtual network creation. And so once the virtual networks and subnets are created, so each virtual machine will be associated with its corresponding subnet. This is done by navigating to the virtual machine's network setting and ensuring the network interface is connected to the correct subnet. So this step ensures that each server receives an IP address only from its assigned department range. So remember when we created our virtual network, so each team, a virtual network was created, and an example was a virtual network for sales marketing, and the region which matches, remember before I was using Italy North, was a /24 network, and inside each virtual network a subnet was created using the team's IP range. So we can see here the configuration of the subnets, such as an example is the sales and marketing, where we give the name as SM subnet, and this is /27. So the engineering and customer success, they follow the same structure with their own ranges. So this is the step that I was describing, where once the virtual networks and subnets are created, each virtual machine will be associated with its corresponding subnets. Yeah. So the steps are here, as I said before, below. Go to the virtual machines, open network settings, and attach a NIC to the correct subnets. So next we're going to see the DNS configuration. So as Zoo provided, DNS will be used for all virtual networks, and by keeping DNS set to default, Zoo automatically assigns IP addresses and manages name resolution for the virtual machines. So this removes the need for manual IP configuration and reduces the risk of misconfiguration. So next we are seeing the network security groups. And to enforce network security groups will be created and applied at the subnet level. Inbound and outbound rules will be configured to allow traffic within the same subnet, enabling communications between the two servers in the same department. And at the same time, rules will deny traffic between different departments, subnets, preventing cross-team access. So this configuration ensures that the sales and marketing, engineering, and customer success environments, they remain fully isolated from one another. Now we're seeing, after all this, then we have to test our network using the RDP, the remote desktop. So once the virtual machines are accessible, remote desktop will be used to validate the network configuration. And inside each virtual machine, the ipconfig command will be used to confirm that the assigned private IP addresses match the planned subnet range. And so internet connectivity will be tested by pinging an external address, such as the public website. And our communication within the team will be tested by pinging the second virtual machine in the same subnet. So the attempts to ping servers in other departments should fail, confirming proper network isolation. So within the same team, the ping succeeds, and across different teams, the ping fails due to the network security group restrictions. So this should meet the CEO's security requirements and the requirements for week 5 assignments. Yeah, so in summary, week 5 focuses on building secure virtual networks that provide internet access, automatic IP assignment, and strict isolation between departments. Yeah. So this step prepares the infrastructure for the real-world usage by ensuring proper network segmentation, security controls, and scalability. So these are some of the things that we completed in this walkover deck. We designed the IP schema, created isolated VLAN style subnets, and applied network security groups for access control, and then ensured automatic IP and internet access. Thank you for watching.